and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Akshata and you are watching Akshata's recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious where you're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe.
So let's start with the recipe. Now here I've taken about 3 carrots. I've washed them well, peeled them, taken off the yellow middle center, and I'm just going to cut them up into thin flat slices like this. Now you can use either the red carrots that are available or the orange carrots, whatever you can get your hands on. Now this is one small raw papaya. We're going to wash it and then we're going to cut it open. You'll find these small papaya seeds. Take them off. Then with a peeler, just peel the papaya and again cut them similar to the carrot pieces. Now put all of this onto a large plate. Now when you can ask your vegetable person that you want raw papaya to make pickle with, they will know what to give you. Now I'm also going to use some cloves of garlic. All the measurements of the ingredients are given in the description box as well as the comment section below, so you can go and check it out. Now I'm just gently piercing the garlic with a fork, and I'm going to use some green chillies also. I've just slit them. Now you can use the large green chilies too. Now I'm just going to apply some salt and mix them up. We have to add a little more ingredients, but right now I'm just mixing a little salt and keeping it aside. About 3 to 4 tablespoons of salt. Now we are also going to be adding some ginger. Again, I've washed the ginger, peeled the ginger and cut it into thin slices. Now I'm going to add some haldi powder or turmeric powder to this vegetable mixture, and again I'm going to mix everything. And then we're going to sun dry this for at least 7 hours in some nice hot sun. You can cover this plate with a muslin cloth so that no dirt gets into it, and keep it in the sun for drying. You can keep it for one entire afternoon also when the sun is at its peak. So now after sun drying it for about 7 hours in the nice hot afternoon sun, this is what it looks like. Now I've taken about 1 3/4 cups of vinegar, but I'm going to take just about 1/4 cup of vinegar, and I'm going to soak these dates or khajoor in them for some time, for at least half an hour. Now besides that, I'm going to use some sugar. This is some split mustard seed powder. Now you can also use the split mustard seed. Basically, you just ask your grocery store that you wanted to make pickle. This is red chili powder. Now I'm going to heat my saucepan. Now I'm going to add my vinegar, which is in total 1 3/4 cups. I'm also going to add the vinegar from my soaked dates. Then I'm going to add the sugar, and we're going to stir the sugar and the vinegar till the sugar completely dissolves. I got so many requests to show this East Indian wedding pickle that I said I have to do this. I think no East Indian wedding is complete till you have the East Indian pickle. So stir the sugar in very well till it completely dissolves. It doesn't take even more than a minute for the sugar to dissolve. Now I'm going to add my mustard seed powder. Now keep your flame at the lowest, or you can even switch off your gas at this point. Add your red chili powder too. Now you can always taste the mixture once it's cooled down to room temperature and see whether you need to add a little more red chili powder. Now I've added the soaked dates or khajoor. Now I've turned off my gas flame completely, and now I'm going to add all of my sun-dried vegetables. The ginger, the garlic, the raw papaya, the carrots. And then with a spoon, we're going to mix everything well together. So as you've seen, there's no oil involved in this pickle at all. And don't get scared about the vinegar. It really adds a lovely flavor to this pickle. You can also use apple cider vinegar. And now let this mixture just cool completely. And then we're going to transfer it into a dry and clean glass jar or glass bottle. Don't use any plastic bottle, but use a nice glass bottle. Or even if you have a ceramic jar, you can use that. And then very gently put all of this pickle into the jar. Now we're going to keep this aside for at least 2 to 3 days or even 4 days. And every day, twice a day, just take a very dry and clean spoon and just stir all of the components of the jar. Don't forget to do that step, it's very important. Just stir everything in between twice a day. Keep it aside for 3 to 4 days. Now after 3 to 4 days, you will notice that the color of the papaya and the carrots have changed and they have a much softer texture, as if they have been cooked. So, and if you taste some of the liquid, you will see that there is no bitter taste at all from the mustard seeds. That shows you that your pickle is completely ready to have. So just have some patience for 3 to 4 days, and you'll get the end result. So don't forget, friends, to stir every day, twice a day, with a clean, dry spoon. Even when you're serving the pickle, don't use a wet spoon. Always use a dry, clean spoon. So to all my friends who have requested this East Indian wedding pickle, I hope I've done justice to the recipe. Like all other recipes, every family has their own, ingredients and secret recipe. But this is one that I could get my hands on, and I think it is quite a traditional and authentic recipe. Do leave your comments in this comment section below. I would love to hear from you.
So friends, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you're going to give it a try. Do let me know in the comment section below what you thought of today's recipe. Do share my recipes with family and friends. Spread the word about Akshata's recipes. You can also follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, and I also have my own blog. All links are going to be down in the description box below, as well as the comment section below, as well as today's recipe, the entire recipe with all the ingredients, the exact measurements, the method, everything is going to be in the description box below. So be sure to go and click it, and you can find everything there. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. I need those likes. Just click the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the red subscribe button that you see somewhere below the screen. Once you have subscribed, a little bell icon will pop up. Click that bell. That way, whenever I put up a new video, you will get a message for the same. Also, when I'm online, you can chat with me. You'll get a message that Akshata is online doing a live stream, so you can be a part of the live stream too. So friends, thank you so much for visiting my channel today. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. So I'll sign off, but before signing off, let me tell you my message as usual, which was stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till we meet again, this is Akshata signing off. Bye.